let's see if this will stay recording. So I've tried to record this video a few times, but hopefully we're good to go here. So as you see, I'm whipping the clean second gen, non-molested, perfect condition. Would probably still ask like 15,000-20,000 on the marketplace for this thing. But let's switch it up. Let's see what else kind of vehicle we're gonna whip or drive here. Let's see what we have here. Off-road, of course. Canned ham. Let's see what this is. Sorry, I guess. RS1. Looks a little goofy. Now this is pretty sweet.
You're a wanker, please.
This thing's pretty sweet. Let's see what else they got going on here. Takes forever for a truck to load in though. I guess we'll. Alright, this thing's pretty sweet. Not mean to wreck. Alright, Hunter Squad. Let's see what this is. Oh, look how disgusting this thing is. This thing is absolutely. If my son came home with a truck like this, or came home with his truck looking like this, I would no longer have a son. Let's see what this thing's all about though. It does sound cool in the game. Let's just go ahead and drive this in the rocks where it belongs. Let's just drive it right off this cliff. Alright, this is exactly what this truck deserves. This is exactly what this thing deserves. A clean body truck, but they want to squat it like that. Like, I just don't get why kids do this. Exactly what this thing deserves. No, I'm sorry. The wheels are too wide to get out. Let's get out of this piece of junk. That thing's absolute garbage. It's where it deserves, where it belongs. Let's see what else we're working with in the truck department. Let's see, Cherokee S. Let's see what this is. Alright, this thing, like what I was previous in was a dumpster. This is like a trash can, so a little better. A Liberator. Alright, that was not supposed to happen. Alright, now this thing is pretty sweet. Alright, yeah, this run over. Let's see how we take this jump here. Oh. Definitely doesn't have good driving ability, but other than that, it's not too bad. Let's see if we can flip this thing. Then flip there. It's probably gonna flip here though. If I had to bet on it, it's gonna flip. Oh, we're flipping right on the roof. Ooh, what a clean bounce. Alright, this thing's not too bad. It's slower than paint drying. But alright, let's see what else. Squat at GM. Let's see how awful this looks. Like, look how terrible this is. This looks like the one that Whistling Diesel destroyed. Look how terrible this thing looks. Alright, yeah, this thing's definitely getting beat to death. So you gotta resort to video game when you're broke And you can't go buy real trucks that squat it and do this, so you just resort to doing it on video games, you know? It gets the anger out of people squatting nice looking trucks for no reason. Let's send it off a cliff. Oh. Driving skills immaculate. Let's take it over here. To be squatted. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, boys. Oh. That was definitely meant to. I was definitely meant to do that. But for a squatted truck, this thing drives pretty good. Let's see how it handles this little launch here. Oh. Such satisfaction. Thing just popped a wheelie. You guys see that? Let's drive it right off the. Oh. Yeah, this is exactly what this thing deserves. I'm surprised the drive shaft's not broke. Look, it's like Daytona right here, guys. That's probably exactly what would happen to this vehicle in Daytona. It would definitely not go that well in the sand. This is great entertainment here. I just realized what it said on the banner. It's definitely, at least the guy that owns this definitely knows what it is. I think I'm stuck down here now though. Oh, it's going in the water. Oh, it's going in the water. Oh, it's still driving, dude. This thing's a submarine. Look at this. When you know you got a truck, dude, it turns into a submarine. I think it's toast. That's all she wrote. I guess this is a good point to end the video on. Just something quick and easy. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably make some more FiveM videos. This was a pretty fun little video to make. But until next time, peace out.